toner is not only refreshing, it also helps to hydrate your skin during the hot summer months. There are many toners for individual skin types. This toner is suitable for acne-prone, oily skin and dry skin. Yes, this toner is best for all skin types. It hydrates your skin to prevent the formation of dry or flaky skin and also modulates the sebum production, hence keeping the skin's oil content balanced as per your skin type. But why do we want to use a toner? A toner is used to complete the cleansing of skin, effectively removing impurities that remain after washing your face. A toner is the best way to cool off when it's hot out and your face feels instantly refreshing. So the ingredient that we need is vetiver roots. I'll share the link to this product in the description box below. So I have taken around 10 grams of this vetiver roots. First, wash it thoroughly and discard the water. Now take a vessel and place the stone inside the vessel. Add water until it immerses thoroughly. Now add vetiver roots inside it. And also place a vessel on it to collect the water. Now close the vessel with the lid inverted. This way the water vaporizes and distilled water will be collected in the small vessel. Boil it on a low flame until the water reduces to half. You can boil it for about 2 hours. Don't forget to check the water level every 30 minutes. This is the traditional method of making vetiver toner. Vetiver roots has antibacterial and antiseptic properties that helps fight acne and pimples. It could even clear blemishes and aid in healing scars. After 1 or 2 hours, turn off the stove and let it cool down completely. Take an empty clean spray bottle and pour the water into this bottle. Shake well before you use. Hold 8 inches away from your face while spraying and also close your eyes. You can use it after cleansing your face, or after your skin has exposed to sun, or as many times as you like. Keep it in the fridge for even more cooling effect. You can store it for a month or longer. Vetiver has so many benefits. Vetiver is a boon for your skin. It is a natural coolant, toner and a moisturizer. Let's now look at the benefits of using vetiver for your skin. It moisturizes and hydrates the skin. It tightens skin pore and reduces oiliness. So that's it for today's video. Do try this amazing toner in the summer and let me know if you like this video in the comments below. Also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscription button and turn on the notification for latest updates. Thanks for watching.